Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Mark here, and I'm back with another video of a unboxing of the Vicseed Intelligent Desk Lamp. And before I get started, I'd like to give a big thank you to Jack Lyao at Vicseed for sending this out to me for review. I really appreciate it. Very cool guy. I talked to him on social media, and I said, hey, I'm a guy looking to start making videos on YouTube. I'm into tech, and he was nice enough to say, hey, go on my website, see anything that you like, and let me know, and I will send it to you, and you can make a video and review it. So just for that, I'd like to say thank you to Jack. I really appreciate it, and let's get into it and show you this. Now, I've been using this desk lamp for a little while now, and it is awesome. I put it back in the box to try to give you guys the unboxing experience. You get a little card from Vicseed. Any questions, how to contact them. You get the little manual for it. Tells you all the specifications of it. In the box, you get the lamp itself. You get the stand for it and the charging cable. Now, let's get this out of the packaging. And how it works is the stand has a magnetic point of contact for the lamp itself. So you just align it and it'll click right in. And that's how it'll look. Get this stuff out of the way. Alright. Now the lamp itself, you could actually use without it even being connected. Here's your power button right here, and it will turn on. I have a regular light, night lamp, and then it has this really cool mode where it'll cycle through all the colors. At night, it is very cool to see what it does. And then it also has a mode, I believe, for like a motion. So when you walk by it, it'll turn on. And this is also the really cool part about this is that as soon as you take the lamp off, it turns into a flashlight. Now it has a button on the bottom where you can turn it off, turn it on. It has like a strobe. Very cool stuff. I really enjoy this. It's nice and small and compact. You could basically put it anywhere. It sits on my desk, by my bed at night. You just hook it, the charging cable, you hook it up to any, USB power supply. Connect it right here. And let me go grab my power bank real quick. And as soon as you plug it up, it'll start charging it. Like I said, you could use it without it, but I believe here are the specifications on the back. Battery life, I believe, is 5 hours. I think it says it in the instructions, but I believe you get 5 hours if you don't have it plugged in, a battery life. But the standby is incredible on it. This will go months and months without it needing any power for it to work. And like I said, you could switch the modes on it. And this is the really cool mode. I really enjoy it's cycling through the colors. And then also having a flashlight handy if you need to see real quick in the dark. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. And I also forgot to mention that I will leave a link in the description below to Vicseed's site if you would like to check out this product or any other product they have. All right.